First workout natin, squat to deadlift. Kailangan natin ng kettlebell. So, meron kang ina-adjust na ano diyan, na kettlebell po, 'yan. Weight natin resistance is 10 pounds to 15 pounds. So, 'yun, dalawang exercise siya, 10 repetitions natin gagawin. And then circuit pala 'to, so 5 exercise 'to na sunod-sunod mong gagawin. Minimum natin per day is 2 sets. So, dalawang beses mo siya gagawin lahat sa isang araw. Okey? Minimum pala 'yun, ha? Pero kung kaya mong mas madami, mas maganda basta kaya ng oras po. Alright, so start tayo with squats. Grip natin sa kettlebell is iikot natin siya. So hawakan natin sa tenga, okey? So grip, bale nakaganyan tayo, tatlong finger yung gi-grip sa handle tapos yung dalawa pang-balance. Okey po? And then sa chest ipapatong, elbows in, close to your body, and then wide stance. Feet wider than shoulders. Okay, for the squats, elbows in, so inhale down, exhale up. So check. Pakita ko lang, profile, side lang ako. Now yung knees mag-open pagbaba. So inhale, so check. Pull your shoulders back, likod, back, bend knees, tapos paa, leg, parallel sa floor, butt goes back. Alright, so inhale, exhale up. Alright, so ganito, squats muna to ha. Inhale, exhale up. So check, toes slightly pointed out. Konti lang. Alright? And then, from here, so inhale, exhale up. One squat, baba natin. Okay? So, close elbow, nakadikit pa rin sa katawan, lower ribs. Tapos, slowly, toes, ganyan pa rin yung toes. Deadlift. Inhale, as slow as you can. Exhale up. Tapos balik. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale up. Okay? So, check profile. 10 repetitions lang po ito. Start tayo with squats. Up, down, deadlift. Okay, that's one count. Inhale, exhale, down. 2 counts. Okay, so ganun po. 10 repetitions ng squats to deadlift. Again, keys natin. Okay, make sure yung balikat nasa likod. Okay, papunta sa spine. So, up, back, and down towards your spine. Para nakalock yung spine natin. Hindi nagsuswing. And then, knees pag bend, palabas. Okay? Sa squats, down. Butt goes back, flat back. Pag tayo, slowly bring it down. Slowly bring down the kettlebell. Tapos, as low as you can lang naman. Tapos, hindi mag-arch yung likod. Alright? No dropping of shoulders. Lift, rise. Apo. So, that's the first exercise. Okay, Miss Ana. So, second exercise natin for day 1 na circuit. Kailangan natin yung yung squat rack mo, yung sampayan nyo. Yan, yung sampayan nyo. Di ba may handle dun sa baba niya po, na dalawa? So, dun tayo magpa-plank. So, wala kasi akong ganun. Kaya, ito na lang gagamitin ko. Elevated plank. Elevated plank yung gagawin natin. So, pakita ko. Hands. Yan. Nakaganon ka yan. Ma'am, tapos, make sure yung kamay, elbow, tsaka shoulder, align sila. So, imagine na lang natin muna na naka-elevate ako. Bali, tataas akong ganyan lang. Alright? And then, yun nga. Hands, elbows, tsaka shoulder, inline sila. Tapos, hindi nakababa yung hips. Hindi rin sobrang taas. Keep it right there. Alright? Imagine may triangle from your hands, the floor, and your body. And then, check yung ankles. Kaya nakapaa tayo para mas makita yung details. Nakaganyan po. Bale, naka 90 degrees siya. Hindi nakababa. Hindi rin naka-sag. Alright? And then, yun. Pag naka-plank ka na po, yung distance ng paa is hip width lang. Hindi sobrang close. Hindi rin too wide. Alright? Keep it hip width pag naka-plank ka na. So, hold this position for 30 seconds or more. The longer, the better. Alright? So, breathe from here, from this position. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Elevated ka, ma'am, ha? Ako lang yung hindi. Nakaganyan dapat. Alright? And then, important thing, kaya 30 seconds lang, ma'am. Di ba may handle dun po? So, make sure yung wrist natin hindi magbe-bend. Okay? Again, wrist kailangan neutral. Pag grip mong gano'n, ma'am, kailangan grip talaga, hindi yung lousy grip. Alright? Make sure hindi mag-bend yung wrist mo pagka naka-plank ka. Okay po? So, that's your second exercise, elevated plank. Okay po, Miss Anna. So, third exercise natin for this circuit, elevated mountain climber naman tayo or slow climber yung gagawin natin. From your plank position, yung kanina, pwede ka mag-rest after nung time mo na minimum ng 30 seconds. And then from here, balik tayo sa form natin. So, plank position, tapos slow climber. Alright? Paa, hip width apart, yung distance. So, one knee between your hands and back. So, exhale, inhale. Control, avoid yung swinging ng hips. Okay po? Now, pagka medyo feeling natin nag-swing na tayo, grip natin. Imagine, pinagdidikit mo yung grips na hawak mo, ma'am. Okay po? Bali, mangyayari dyan pala, iikot mo yung ma'am, yung pull-up rack ninyo, yung buong sampayan ninyo para maka-space siguro. And then, yun pala. Again, imagine pinagdidikit mong ganun para mas maging stable ka. So, mararamdaman mo contract lalo yung arms mo, yung chest, and then yung core muscles. So, mas magiging stable ka. Okay, so check. Slow movement ng mountain climber. Strict. Okay? Hindi yung nagmamadaling ganun. Okay po? So, check. Flat pa rin. Hands, elbows, shoulder, in line with each other. Okay, so dahan. Okay po? Again, pag grip, hindi bibitaw yung grip natin, yung wrist natin. Okay po? Third exercise. Fourth exercise natin, Miss Anna, so kailangan natin ng mat. Hihiga tayo po. Okay. Like so. And then, taas yung dalawang paa. Okay. Knees at 90 degrees. Both knees. Alright. So, extend yung kamay overhead. Okay. Or pwedeng sa side for more stability. Ngayon, imagine tayo? Bag. Bag na uwang, ganun. So, bend alternately. Okay, that's one count. Extend, switch legs. Okay, so pwede rin sa taas yung kamay or dito sa side para mas stable lang tayo. Okay, so pakita natin. Knees at 90 degrees. So, hindi bababa yung paa. Hindi magta-touch ng floor. As low, as far as you can lang. Kunyari hanggang dito lang yung kaya. Balik na. Okay, make sure hindi masyadong mag-arch yung lower back natin. Hindi tataas na ganun. Alright? So, keep it tight. Kung kaya natin i-flat lang all throughout the work, kung kaya natin idiin yung lower back natin sa floor, mas maganda po. So, both knees 90. Extend. Inhale. Exhale, balik. Dahan-dahan. Inhale. Exhale up. Slow. And with control. Okay? Switch. Switch. And then yung distance niya, okay, hindi po magkadikit yung paa. Hip width pa rin. Okay? Para mas ma-mobilize yung hips natin. So, inhale. Make sure, remember na yung lower back, flat sa floor. Okay? Kung aangkat man, konting-konti lang. Alright? Hindi lower back workout, kundi hip mobility and then abdominal work. Okay po. So, 10 repetitions of that. Okay po, last exercise natin for day 1. So, alternating lunges to squats. So, hawak sa waist. Pwede dito, nagpe-pray. Or pwede rin cross your shoulders. Kung saan ka maging very comfortable. That's okay. So, yan. Dito tayo. Dito pala ako. So, lunges. Both knees at 90. Chest up, shoulders back. Upright yung katawan. Rise up. Again, check yung paa. Check yung heels. Nakataas pa. Alright? Down. Lift. Step forward. Switch legs. Down, lift. Okay po? Again. Step back, down. Ito po yung bababa. Yung nasa likod na leg, siya yung unang bababa. Okay po? And then, nakataas yung heels. So, harap na ako. So, check. Lunge, squats yan. So, lunge, So check, pag step kong palayo, hindi babagsak yung heels ko sa likod, okay? Tapos, hindi siya magpapantay, hindi magko-cross. Keep it open, hip width yung distance. Okay? For stability, then down, rise. Switch, down, up, and then squats. Squats natin, quads, front legs, tapos narrow lang na squats. Ito, diretso na rin yung toes natin. Inhale, exhale up. That's 1 count. So 10 counts lang din yung gagawin natin dito. So pakita natin ng ilang reps. Down, switch, down, squats. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale, switch. Keep upright yung katawan. Inhale, exhale up. So ganun po. 10 na ganun. That's your 1 set. Okay po. So yung 5 exercise na ginawa natin, 1 set yun. At least 2 yung gagawin natin sa day 1 po. Okay, so eventually kaya mo na gawin yan ng mga 3, 5 sets. So mas mabilis ka through the weeks po.